Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna club sandwich. First, select 3 slices of your preferred bread, like a hearty sourdough or classic whole wheat. Toast them until they are perfectly golden and crisp, providing that essential crunch. Then, lightly spread mayonnaise on one side of each toasted slice. This creates a delicious base and prevents the bread from getting soggy, ensuring every bite is delightful. Next, let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the tuna salad. Drain 1 can of quality tuna and mix it with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of finely diced celery and 1 teaspoon of minced red onion for a delightful crunch and subtle bite. Finish with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten all the flavors. Now it's time to build our masterpiece. On your first mayo-coated bread slice, lay down a crisp lettuce leaf and a juicy tomato slice. Follow this with a generous scoop of your freshly made tuna salad, spreading it evenly. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top. Then, add 2 to 3 strips of crispy bacon and another fresh lettuce leaf before capping it all off with the third and final bread slice. To finish, secure your towering tuna club with 2 toothpicks, 1 through each half, then carefully slice it into 4 perfect triangles. This classic presentation makes it easy to handle and enjoy. Serve your delicious creation immediately alongside your favorite side, perhaps some crunchy potato chips or a tangy pickle spear. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.